Oh my, what nice weather today. A child comes out to play. Oh no, he fell into a pit. Just then, an ambulance arrived for rescue. Great, the child was rescued. Quick, take him to the hospital. The ambulance started and will soon arrive at the nearby hospital. The child was successfully rescued. Let's fill the pit to prevent other children from falling in. We brought a bulldozer to quickly fill the deep pit. Wonderful! The pit is finally filled.